If you're diabetic, this could be the most important minutes of your day because right now, your body may be silently warning you. You might feel perfectly fine, even confident that your blood sugar is under control. But the truth is, hidden damage could already be happening. Research shows that most people with diabetes are missing key nutrients that protect your heart, nerves, eyes, and kidneys. And here's the scary part. These deficiencies don't cause obvious symptoms. That's why most doctors never mention them. They focus on medication and blood sugar numbers, not the silent threats building inside your body. Without the right support, tiny nutrient gaps can quickly escalate into serious complications. Vision problems, nerve pain, kidney strain, even heart issues. Yet despite decades of studies, the supplement that could make the biggest difference is still overlooked by nearly everyone. In this video, I'm going to reveal the one supplement doctors quietly recommend, explain exactly how it works, and show why adding it could protect your health in ways medication alone can't. By the end, you'll know how to shield your body before it's too late. Number 1. Magnesium. This mineral is quietly one of the most powerful tools in protecting your health as a diabetic. Yet over 70% of people with diabetes are deficient without even realizing it. The problem is subtle at first. You might feel tired, notice occasional muscle twitches, or experience restless nights, and dismiss it as just part of getting older. But magnesium deficiency doesn't stop there. Left unchecked, it can quietly worsen insulin resistance, elevate fasting blood sugar, and even contribute to nerve pain and nighttime leg cramps. What's particularly concerning is that most doctors don't routinely test for magnesium levels, so the deficiency often goes unnoticed until complications arise. Magnesium plays a central role in how your body manages blood sugar. It is critical for insulin signaling, the process that tells your cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Without enough magnesium, this signaling falters, leaving glucose circulating in your blood longer than it should. Magnesium also aids in glucose transport into cells, ensuring that your energy systems function efficiently and your muscles receive the fuel they need. Beyond blood sugar, magnesium relaxes muscles and nerves, helping prevent the cramps, tingling, or burning sensations that many diabetics experience at night. This simple mineral supports multiple systems simultaneously, acting as both a stabilizer for your metabolism and a protector of your nerves. Research consistently confirms magnesium's benefits. Studies show that supplementing with magnesium can lower fasting glucose levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce neuropathy pain. One clinical trial demonstrated that diabetics taking magnesium experienced a measurable drop in blood sugar within just a few weeks. Other research highlights its role in easing nighttime leg cramps, a common complaint among older adults, particularly those on medications that inadvertently deplete magnesium, such as metformin or certain diuretics. These medications, while helping manage blood sugar and fluid balance, often worsen a magnesium deficiency, creating a hidden cycle of strain on your body. Early signs of deficiency can be easy to miss. Fatigue, restless legs, mild muscle twitches, or a subtle inability to concentrate might seem like normal daily annoyances, but they are often early warnings. If magnesium deficiency persists, it can contribute to more serious issues: chronic high blood sugar, worsening insulin resistance, nerve damage, and even cardiovascular strain. Recognizing these signals is the first step toward intervention, and the good news is that this is entirely fixable. Unlike irreversible complications that sneak up silently, magnesium deficiency can be addressed effectively with both diet and supplementation. Food sources are a natural place to start. Leafy greens like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, black beans, and whole grains are rich in magnesium. However, the reality is that even the best diet may not provide enough to correct a deficiency, particularly if your body is losing magnesium through medications, stress, or high blood sugar. This is why supplementation is often necessary to reach therapeutic levels. Choosing the right form is key. Magnesium glycinate, taurate, or citrate are highly absorbable and gentler on the digestive system than some other forms. Magnesium oxide, for example, is poorly absorbed and can cause digestive discomfort, so it's best avoided if your goal is both effectiveness and consistency. Dosage and timing matter as well. Research suggests that a daily intake of 300 to 400 milligrams taken with meals maximizes absorption and supports stable blood sugar throughout the day. For those experiencing cramps or sleep disturbances, taking magnesium in the evening can help relax muscles and improve sleep quality. Safety is also important. While magnesium is generally safe, very high doses can cause diarrhea or interact with certain medications, so it's wise to discuss supplementation with your healthcare provider, particularly if you have kidney concern. The empowering truth is this: addressing magnesium deficiency is entirely within your control. By recognizing the signs, understanding its role in blood sugar regulation, and supplementing effectively, you can protect your nerves, muscles, and overall metabolic health. It's a small change with outsized benefits, one that can prevent the silent damage that so often surprises diabetics. Taking magnesium consistently is not just about correcting a deficiency, it's about reclaiming control over your health, reducing discomfort, and building a foundation for more stable blood sugar and stronger, more resilient nerves. Number 2, chromium picolinate. This trace mineral might seem small, almost invisible, but it has a profound impact on how your body uses insulin. Think of chromium as an amplifier for insulin, helping it work 10 to 20 times more efficiently. When insulin functions properly, your cells can absorb glucose from the bloodstream. Energy is delivered where it's needed, and blood sugar levels stay steady. Without enough chromium, insulin struggles to communicate effectively, leaving sugar circulating in your blood and creating the frustration of spikes, crashes, and stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. Clinical studies consistently highlight chromium's benefits for diabetics. Participants supplementing with chromium experienced lower A1C levels, meaning long-term blood sugar control improved. Many also reported reduced sugar cravings, fewer energy crashes after meals, and better post-meal glucose control, making everyday life more predictable and less stressful. For those who have tried controlling cravings or balancing blood sugar with diet alone, chromium can feel like a missing piece of the puzzle. It doesn't replace healthy eating, but it enhances your body's ability to respond to the foods you eat, turning the metabolic switch back on in a way many people thought was lost. Chromium depletion is surprisingly common, often driven by stress and high-carbohydrate diets. When your body is under pressure or constantly processing refined sugars, chromium is used up faster than it can be replenished. This creates a cycle where insulin becomes less effective, cravings intensify, and blood sugar spikes become more frequent. You might notice signs that your body is running low: persistent sugar cravings, belly fat that refuses to shrink despite effort, or sudden post-meal glucose swings. Recognizing these signals early allows you to intervene before they translate into more serious complications. While chromium can be found in foods like broccoli, whole grains, and lean meats, reaching therapeutic levels through diet alone is often unrealistic. Supplements offer a controlled, reliable way to support your body, particularly when lifestyle factors or medications are draining your natural stores. Chromium picolinate is the preferred form because it is highly absorbable and well-studied, making it effective in enhancing insulin activity without overwhelming your system. Proper dosing matters. Most research supports daily intakes between 200 and 500 micrograms, often taken with meals to improve absorption and align with blood sugar fluctuations. Consistency is key. Sporadic supplementation doesn't deliver the same benefits. Safety is important too. While chromium is generally well tolerated, those with kidney disease or taking certain medications should consult a healthcare provider before starting supplementation. This ensures that you can reap the benefits without risking interactions or complications. For the majority of diabetics, however, supplementing with chromium picolinate offers a safe, evidence-based way to strengthen insulin function and support stable blood sugar. The empowering truth is that chromium picolinate gives your metabolism a tangible advantage. By enhancing insulin's effectiveness, it not only helps manage glucose levels, but also reduces cravings that often feel uncontrollable. This can improve energy, mood, and the ability to stick to healthy routines without constant struggle. Imagine turning the dial on your insulin sensitivity, giving your body the chance to process glucose efficiently, protect your organs, and reduce the risk of long-term complications. It's not a quick fix, but it's a powerful, science-backed step toward taking control over your metabolic health. When incorporated alongside a balanced diet, stress management, and lifestyle strategies, chromium becomes a reliable ally in stabilizing blood sugar, improving energy, and reducing cravings. It is not about perfection. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to function properly and reclaiming the confidence that comes from knowing you are actively supporting your health. With consistent use, the difference can be felt in daily life, from smoother energy throughout the day to less anxiety around meals and a stronger sense of control over your own body. Number 3, omega-3 fatty acids. Most people think of diabetes as just a blood sugar problem, but the real silent threat is chronic inflammation. This low-grade, ongoing inflammation can quietly damage blood vessels, impair insulin signaling, and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney complications. You might not feel it day to day, but inflammation acts like a hidden layer of friction in your body, making it harder for insulin to work, blood to flow smoothly, and cells to function efficiently. Omega-3 fatty acids are one of the most effective ways to combat this invisible enemy. Omega-3s improve the flexibility of cell membranes, allowing insulin to communicate more effectively and helping glucose enter cells where it can be used for energy. They also reduce triglycerides, the fat in your blood that can thicken circulation and increase cardiovascular risk. Beyond blood sugar, omega-3s protect the heart, brain, and kidneys, supporting long-term health in ways that medication alone cannot. For diabetics, this dual effect is crucial, managing blood sugar while shielding vital organs from silent damage that often goes unnoticed until it's serious. Clinical research backs these benefits. Studies show that regular omega-3 intake is linked to lower fasting glucose and reduced cardiovascular risk in people with diabetes. EPA and DHA, the active forms of omega-3s found in fatty fish, are most effective, while low-quality oils often sold in stores may lack these essential compounds or be oxidized, reducing their impact. The difference is significant. High-quality omega-3s act like a lubricant for your cells and blood, keeping your system smooth and efficient, while poor-quality oils provide little benefit and can even contribute to oxidative stress. Food sources remain the best foundation. Wild-caught fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies, provide concentrated EPA and DHA. For those who cannot eat fish regularly, a high-quality supplement is a practical alternative, but it must be carefully chosen. Look for products that are purified, tested for heavy metals, and contain meaningful amounts of EPA and DHA. Triglyceride form, or reesterified oils, are absorbed more efficiently than cheap ethyl ester forms, ensuring your body actually benefits from every dose. Dosing and timing are also important. Research suggests that daily intake between 1 and 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA supports both cardiovascular and metabolic health. Taking omega-3s with a meal that contains fat enhances absorption and ensures that your body receives the full protective effect. Safety is generally high, though those on blood thinners or with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before starting supplementation. The power of omega-3s goes beyond immediate blood sugar control. Think of it as long-term armor for your body. By reducing inflammation and improving cell function, omega-3s can help prevent the thickening of arteries, reduce the stress on your heart, and protect the delicate filtration system of your kidneys. They support brain health, memory, and mood, areas often affected in long-term diabetes. Regular intake is a proactive step, helping you maintain strength, energy, and confidence in your health over the years. The reality is that silent inflammation is one of the biggest threats diabetics face, but it is also one of the most addressable. Omega-3 fatty acids give your body a chance to restore balance, reduce internal friction, and function more efficiently. By combining high-quality supplements with diet and lifestyle strategies, you can fight inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect your heart, kidneys, and brain. This is not just about living longer. It's about living better, with more energy, fewer complications, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are actively protecting your health. Number 4, vitamin K2. This nutrient is often overlooked, yet it plays a critical role in protecting the arteries of diabetics who face accelerated calcification as a hidden consequence of high blood sugar and aging. Many people assume that calcium is always good for bones, but without K2, calcium can be misdirected, depositing in arteries instead of bones. Over time, this can stiffen blood vessels, raise blood pressure, and increase the risk of heart attack and kidney complications. What makes K2 remarkable is its ability to guide calcium away from arteries and toward bones where it belongs, providing a protective mechanism that is often missing in standard diabetic care. Vitamin K2 works in synergy with vitamin D, another essential nutrient that supports bone health and immune function. While vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium efficiently, K2 ensures it is delivered to the right places, preventing it from harming your heart or kidneys. Studies consistently show that adequate K2 intake is linked to lower cardiovascular mortality and improved insulin sensitivity, both of which are crucial for people managing diabetes. In fact, research suggests that pairing K2 with vitamin D not only strengthens bones, but also supports metabolic health, giving diabetics a dual layer of protection against complications they may not even realize are developing. The risks of taking calcium supplements without K2 cannot be overstated. While calcium is often recommended for bone health, without K2, supplemental calcium can accumulate in arteries instead of being incorporated into bones, contributing to cardiovascular strain. This counterintuitive truth is not widely discussed, yet it is supported by clinical research. For diabetics especially, who are already at higher risk of heart disease, ensuring that calcium is paired with K2 is a simple yet powerful step toward long-term health and protection. Food sources of K2 include natto, a fermented soy product popular in Japan, and aged cheeses, which provide the nutrient naturally. However, many people do not consume these foods regularly, and dietary intake alone may not be sufficient to reach protective levels. This is where supplementation becomes highly valuable. The most studied forms are MK7 and MK4, with MK7 offering longer-lasting effects in the body and easier daily dosing. Typical therapeutic doses range from 90 to 200 micrograms per day, usually taken with meals that include fat for optimal absorption. People taking anticoagulant medications or with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before starting K2 to ensure safety and compatibility with their treatment. The empowering aspect of K2 is that it allows you to actively protect your arteries, heart, and kidneys while also supporting insulin sensitivity. Unlike silent complications that develop unnoticed over years, K2 gives you a tangible way to intervene, to direct calcium where it belongs, and to strengthen your metabolic resilience. By combining K2 with vitamin D and the other supplements we've discussed, magnesium, chromium, and omega-3s, you create a comprehensive, synergistic approach that addresses multiple hidden risks diabetics face. This is about more than just managing blood sugar. It's about taking control of your long-term health, protecting your future self from complications, and giving your body the tools it needs to function optimally. Now that you know the 4 most powerful supplements doctors quietly recommend, you can make informed choices to support your health every day. Magnesium stabilizes blood sugar and relaxes muscles. Chromium amplifies insulin function and reduces cravings. Omega-3s combat inflammation and protect the heart and brain. And vitamin K2 guides calcium safely, supporting arteries and kidneys. Together, these nutrients form a foundation that goes beyond medication alone, addressing hidden deficiencies and reducing risks that most diabetics never hear about until it's too late. Taking action today can change the trajectory of your health tomorrow. Start by assessing which of these supplements you may need, prioritize high-quality sources, and consult your healthcare provider to personalize your plan. Your body is capable of more than you realize, and these science-backed strategies empower you to take control, prevent complications, and improve both energy and quality of life. If this information has been valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on the latest health insights designed to protect and empower you. Your future self will thank you for taking these steps today.